I'm sure you've heard the news, whooping cough is back and it's hitting hard. The CDC reports over 16,000 whooping cough cases this year, the highest since 2014. 2 deaths have been confirmed and the numbers are 4 times higher than in 2023. The spike is linked to missed vaccinations during the pandemic and the return to pre-pandemic norms. Babies under a year old are especially at risk, facing severe complications like apnea and pneumonia. A third of infected infants need hospitalization. The CDC recorded 289 cases weekly leading up to September 28, mostly on the West Coast and in the Middle Atlantic region. They urge everyone, especially parents, to stay updated on vaccinations to protect against this resurgence. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember to like and subscribe for more updates.